Hey, dude. Glad I caught you. I've got some news that ain't very good.
Really? I hope we didn't run out of firewater, man.
No, it's about that Big Lebowski Blu-ray that's coming out next month. It will not have any audio commentary.
What? Nobody will be able to hear any of our brilliant behind-the-scenes banter? No effing way.
Yeah, apparently the producers decided that this was one special feature they could certainly do without.
Wow. This cannot be happening. Please tell me I'm just having a bad acid trip.
I didn't think you'd take this very well. So for any audio commentary, everyone will just have to wait until the next version comes out.
Right. And when the hell will that be?
Oh, probably sometime between the year 2015 and 2020.
Holy crap, man. That is so wrong on so many levels. The dude does not abide by this.